Greetings, folks. It's Woody from Obadiah's. Some of you have asked, what my boiler system is and what it consists of. It's a Trinity NTI, or an NTI Trinity, I should say. NTI is the manufacturer. They're out of New Brunswick, Canada. It's a really efficient unit. The energy rating on it, they say this model's efficiency is 92.7 and the most efficient is 90.6. So I did a little research. Initially we were going to offer these for sale, so I like to try what I sell so I know about it. Here's the way it's installed. It's a pretty compact system. So I'm getting ready right now to flush out the system, and I've had the boiler now I think 3 years. It's worked really well, no problems whatsoever. It also does my domestic hot water. It runs on propane. It's a direct vat. So you have your hot stack here, and then you have your fresh air. Comes in from the bottom. It's a closed loop system. And there's the drain. Because it's a condensating boiler, the propane, you have acid in the water, something that you have to deal with, the condensation. This is called the condensating boiler. It's 150,000 BTUs. It's the NTI Trinity Combi 150. So it's been really good. It gets smarter as time goes on. It's computerized. It actually has a map program, learns where it's at. So then it has an outdoor probe and it can anticipate what the temperatures are. I have it mounted up in the loft and next to my bladder. For my pressure, that's where my well is. And it's just going to be a little like closet, which will be the boiler room. The nice thing about this boiler is very compact, very lightweight, yet very efficient. And here you have the inside of the boiler. This is the combustion chamber. It's got a stainless steel water jacket. I'll take it apart and I'll show it to you. Then you have your blower for your combustion system. And that blows the air in through the tube. There's your computer that runs it. It's got a Fenwell ignition system. It's a smart unit. There's your fin plate heat exchanger. And that's what does our domestic hot water in the house. Works well. So everything's all in one place, no hot water tank. I am going to add a hot water tank, and I'll show you how to do that. Just so the pump won't run during the summer. The only thing I can say about having it installed in the loft, it's probably not a great idea. It's kind of loud. You always hear it running. So once it's enclosed, I'm going to insulate the room so it should be quieter. So we're going to take the combustion chamber apart and we'll take a look inside and I'll show you how to clean it. This is Woody from Obadiah's. Bye.